Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday morning market webcast. Okay, daily chart, and you can see the grind, this grind higher continues. There was some China trade news last night, popped at as high as 98 here. That got, for all intents and purposes, rejected back. It's traded as low as 78.25, so they shaved 20 handles off of it. So, like I wrote down here, look, the bears have an opportunity. They have an opportunity to kind of push. The 9-day, which has been support, is lined up with the weekly pivot down in the 52 area right here. So 9 days at 52.80, weekly pivot's 52 and change. And it is a tremendous if the bears can actually seal off the hourly midband. There's been a series of head fakes here. Head fake down, head fake up, more compression, head fake up, move down. If we can actually expand to the downside, certainly capable of printing 66 on a real move. And then over the course of the rest of this week, potentially go down and test 52. What's more likely to happen is what's been happening. We have a dip here. That dip is going to get bought. You have a series of higher lows. And until that dynamic changes, until the tape gets out of the habit of doing that, that's what you have to expect going into the day. So yesterday, we didn't do much off the open. We waited. And then, we did a grand total of 4 trades. We were long. We got short 81. And then when that didn't work, we got long. So, it was about a 10-handle day, 9 and change. 4 trades, 4 winners. I'm really trying hard not to overtrade this stuff. So we're sitting at about 20 handles for the week with 2 days to go. So that's our goal for the week with a couple of days left to trade. So I'm happy with where we are. And as I head into today, I don't want to overtrade. If the bear move is for real, then 88 is going to seal off. Okay? 88 will seal off. And you'll start to see expansion to the downside. If the bulls are just going to come in and buy another dip, then things like the 5-minute midband will go support and we'll start to climb the stairs. We'll get into the details of all of those levels during the 9:20 live cast before the open. We'll let this thing knock around a little bit. Don't discount the daily pivot today. It's sitting at 27.83.5, and basically since the move down at 7:30, it's trying to be resistance. It is trying to be resistance on a 5-minute chart. So the ECB came out at 7:30. They tried to take it down. They printed 80 right after the announcement, and then they took it back up, almost immediately back up to 83.84. Hung out there for a while. Then we did do a marginal lower low, and now we're back up into 82.83. So I'm flat. I'm staying flat until the open. And we'll see how this all wants to unfold after 9:30. Then 88 is going to be the deal, above or below. That's at least for me, that's the bull bear line. Right now, volume weighted average price is at 27.8775. The hourly mid is at 88 quarters. So 88 area is the bull bear. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Join us at 9:20 for the live cast over on Instagram. Trade them well. Talk to you soon. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.